Hello everyone! In this video, we'll explore some essential command line tools available in Windows. These tools provide valuable information that helps troubleshoot issues with computers and networks. We'll cover some of the most frequently used commands, starting with ping. The ping tool is a simple yet powerful way to check if a network connection is functioning. It helps you verify if your device can communicate with others on the same network or even with servers on the internet. To use it, open a command prompt and type ping followed by an IP address or domain name. For example, pingingexample.com lets you know if you're connected to the internet. The command sends for small packets of data to the destination, and if the packets are returned, you know there's a connection. If you don't get a response, the issue could be a loose cable, a powered-off device, or a firewall blocking the ping request. The internet operates on a global network of routers, each passing information along until it reaches its destination. Troubleshoot is used to see the path taken by data packets across this network. To use it, open command prompt, type troubleshoot followed by an IP or domain, and press enter. This will show each router, known as a hop, the data encounters on its way to the destination, along with the time each hop took. Troubleshoot is helpful for identifying network bottlenecks and understanding the packet's journey. Path ping combines both ping and troubleshoot. It finds the route a packet takes and also sends multiple ping requests to each hop along the path, giving detailed statistics for each router. To use it, type path ping and an IP or domain name, like example.com. This command runs a series of pings and gives a summary, showing any lost packets at each hop, which can pinpoint specific trouble spots. Short for name server lookup, NSLOOKUP helps resolve DNS issues. DNS translates domain names, like example.com, into IP addresses that computers understand. If you're facing DNS problems, type NSLOOKUP followed by a domain name. It will show the IP address associated with the domain and help diagnose DNS-related issues. Unlike DNS, which maps domain names to IPs, ARP resolves IP addresses to MAC addresses. You can check your device's ARP cache by typing ARP in command prompt. If your device needs to communicate with another and lacks the MAC address, it requests it. ARP is useful for verifying local network connections. Netstat lists your device's current network connections. Use Netstat to see all active connections and the servers they're linked to. It shows which ports are open and whether they use TCP or UDP protocols. This tool is useful for checking if a program is connected to the network. The hostname command is very simple, just displaying the name of your computer. It can be helpful for network configurations and is easy to use. Simply type hostname to get your computer's name. If you're having network issues, IP protocol configuration displays your IP address, subnet mask, default gateway, and DNS servers. Type IP protocol configuration /all for detailed network configurations, which include DHCP, MAC address, and router information. It's an invaluable tool for diagnosing connection problems. Over time, Windows files can become corrupted, slowing down your system. SFC scans and repairs these files. Run command prompt as an administrator, type sfc/scan now, and let it scan. It will repair corrupted files if it finds any. If SFC can't repair them, the issue might be with the system image itself. DISM repairs the system image that SFC relies on. If SFC encounters errors it can't fix, use DISM/online/cleanupimage/restore health. Once completed, try SFC again for a clean report. The route print command is essential for viewing the local routing table on your computer. This table shows how network traffic is directed within the system, listing the routes that data packets can take based on their destination IP address. To use it, simply open command prompt and type route print. You'll see sections for IPv4 and IPv6 routes, as well as any persistent routes that have been manually added. SSH lets you securely access remote devices over an encrypted connection. Just type SSH username at IP address to manage a remote system as if you're right there. Perfect for remote server work or network management. Once connected, you can manage files, run commands, or troubleshoot the remote system as if you were sitting right in front of it. SSH is particularly valuable when working with cloud servers or managing network equipment remotely. Thank you for your time. Hope this information is helpful. Please like, comment on how we improve and subscribe to stay connected for updates.